Thank you so much for coming to this session. We believe that after the session ends, you will have learned lots of things, lots of new things about grooming. So today's session, called Grooming 101 Dress for Success by ULAB Center for Enterprise and Society. So the skills to dress appropriately, speak proficiently, and present oneself according to the occasion is something that some of us might not pay attention to sometimes. But this is a very important role that's quite important for making your first impression wherever you go, and it helps you stand out from the crowd, and it will also give you a jump start in your career. So at today's session, we will not only help you to look good, but we will also guide you to build your confidence, to improve your body language, and to help you prepare for the professional world while you are a student, also after you graduate. So to take this session, I would like to welcome Mr. Shababuddin Sharik and Ms. Kishwar Mubin Chaudhary to this session. So Mr. Sharik is known for his signature sleek side parts and classic attire. He founded Gentleman's Wardrobe from a fashion blog, transforming it into a classic menswear brand loved by many. Beyond being a fashion entrepreneur, Mr. Sharik serves as a director at ShopUp. He has devoted himself to turning men into gentlemen with a vision where elegance and etiquette are a natural part of everyday life. Ms. Kishwar is the business head at Franklin Covey, Bangladesh, where she leads strategic initiatives and drives impactful solutions for clients. She holds a degree from Southern Illinois University and certifications as a life and skills coach. Known for her expertise in leadership and development, Ms. Kishwar is dedicated to fostering growth and success with teams and organizations. So now I'd like to invite Mr. Mushfiqur Rahman, a senior manager at CES, to give his opening remarks.
Hi, how's everyone? All good? Right. So how many of you are prepared for আচ্ছা আমরা একটু জিজ্ঞেস করি এখানে লাস্ট সেমেস্টার কে আছে on his or her third or fourth year, 10th semester, 12th semester. 12th semester ke kya ache? By 11th, 10th, 9th, 8th, 7th, 6th. Acha. So I got a overall scan of what you guys are up to. So to bring you up to speed and also to set the context. So as a human, we all are a bit of experience, right? How we dress, how we talk, how we present ourselves, even what we talk about, what we post about, what snaps do we do, what's our stories about on Instagram, that also matters, right? That speaks for yourself. So it's a universe of many things, but jeta sobche beshi matter kore your presence and also how you prepare yourself for success. That's our this session's core agenda. So if you go by the title, it's called Grooming 101, Dress for Success. Here, I think we have the best of the best speakers to talk about how you should dress up, how you should appear, how you should talk, and a bit of etiquette senses, etc. And hopefully, trust me, when I was in your age, I think many years back, no one told me how my suit cutaway should be, how my lapel size should be, what pocket square should I wear, how should I appear for the interview, how should I talk. I think many of you are in the dark, or many of you are exploring the idea or getting into this fashion sense or grooming part. I think there was no one to guide me or my batchmates back in the days, so I think that's a very opportune moment, and I would like to request you to be at your fullest to intake whatever they're saying. And without any further ado, so let me invite Sharik Bhai to the stage and start the session. Thank you.
এখানে তো কাউকে জোর করে আনা হয় নাই, রাইট? সবাই নিজে থেকে আসছে। কেউ আছে যাকে জোর করে আনা হয়েছে? এক্সপেকটেশনটা কি এই সেশন থেকে তোমাদের যারা যারা আসছো? আই এম গেসিং এভরিবডি কেম হিয়ার উইথ দেয়ার ওন ইন্টেনশনস। সো এক্সপেকটেশনটা কি? এখান থেকে কি শিখতে পাবা অথবা কি শুনতে আসছো? আই এম সেইং ইট ইন বাংলা, ইটস ওকে রাইট? মুশফিক? এনিওয়ান? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলো।
Corporate etiquettes and manners and disciplines are ভালো করে শিখে যেতে পারবো আমার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স নলেজ।
ওকে, কর্পোরেট ডিসিপ্লিন, নলেজ।
Basic sales point of view.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else? আচ্ছা। সো আজকে যে টপিকটা আছে যে ড্রেস ফর সাকসেস, আই থিঙ্ক দিস ইজ আ টপিক দ্যাট আই রেজোনেট কোয়াইট ডিপলি বিকজ আমি যখন তোমাদের মতো স্টুডেন্ট ছিলাম, I didn't dress the way I'm dressing right now, or I dress recently. I think there is a very fine line in between আমি আমার আগে যেভাবে করে আমি ড্রেস করতাম আর এখন যেভাবে ড্রেস আপ করি, এবং আমার যে লাইফের জার্নি ইট অলসো চেঞ্জড।